Hey everybody, welcome to Paigefamily Homestead.
Paigefamily Homestead. This is Peggy, and this isn't.
Not.
No, he couldn't pull it off.
Negative.
Thankful for that, by the way. What we've got here today is a little package, some fun mail.
Yeah.
We order a lot from Amazon, so it's just like, "What'd you order, babe?" And I'm like, "I don't know, like something's always coming." But this one is addressed, second one, to Paigefamily Homestead. So
That'd be us.
yeah.
Just in case you're wondering.
And I need you for your knife.
Oh, hang on, I
Your
just
manly knife pouch.
happen to have one right here.
In your bra?
In my bra. Alright.
Excuse me. You want to hold it and cut? Or am I trusting you?
Oh, ye of little face.
Yeah. Sharp knife.
It's sharp, watch.
No!
Oh, sorry.
Don't do that at home.
Don't play with this at home, kids.
Oh my. Oh my.
Hey, cool.
Where's the card? There's got to be a card.
Oh, wait, bags.
I can't open things until we know who it's from, and it just won't work that way. What is this? Amazon.org. Amazon. There's stickers here. It just has a code, UPS, not UPS, but a
What's that book say?
I'm trying not to look until we know who it's from. You're cheating. Oh, what does that book say?
I know.
A note from Paigefamily Homestead. One can never have too many poo birds, right? Angie. It's from Angie from Life and More Reloaded. One can never have too many P.U.E. birds, right? And what's this one say? This one's for, as much as you guys use the cast iron, you need these, from Angie. And this should keep hands and mind busy, from Angie. That must be this one. Oh my God. I'm always saying, my kitchen,
Yeah,
my rules.
Right.
My kitchen, my rules. I wrote a book and I didn't even know it. Oh, look, it's empty. It's for me to fill. Oh yeah, I'll have to go through our other videos and write down which ones I quoted so far. That's awesome.
When do you see this one?
Maybe we shouldn't show it.
Oh, you gotta.
Okay. All the children leave the room.
Leave the room.
Leave the room now.
I'll be back in a minute.
Go on. Activity book for adults.
Something I'm bored.
And this will keep me occupied when I can't hobble around. How many stars do you see in the image? Hey? How many stars do you see in the image? And then a bad word. Angie, this is good. I'm sure there's... Andy, you can't take this to the bathroom. I'll never get in there, and two, I'll hear nothing but laughter coming out of that room. Oh my God, look at this said about the puzzle. Solve the maze. Don't say it. Start.
Yeah, that's Angie.
Everybody go to Amazon from Tamara L. Adams and buy this book. So that you know what we're talking about. Angie, you're crazy. I love you. Notice I put that here.
That's awesome, Angie. That is too awesome.
And this, my own rules.
keep riddling.
I'm laughing. I'm laughing because, Angie, do you remember I asked you, what do you like better, white or black? And then I joked with you about that being a controversial kind of thing. The reason I asked is because I was sending you this. But I couldn't find one that would ship to you, so I got something else going to you instead. But these are awesome, everybody. It's called a pie vent. And do the kids ever love it? Angie, thank you. You put these in your pie at the bottom crust, and then you fill it in. You put your top crust on, and it's all baked like ceramic, so it's not going to explode in your pie, right? Don't use a salt shaker. I've tried it. And it lets the steam out for the vent, so that your pie crust, it just like 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. Thank you. But that's why I asked you, do you want black or white? After I asked it, I thought, oh my God, she's going to wonder why the heck I said that. Okay. Oh, I think these are for you to open. Don't read it. That's cheating. Don't read it.
No, honey.
Where's your knife? Back in your bra.
A man bra.
Ew.
Yeah,
I think Seinfeld had a show on that. The man's ear.
The man, yeah, I don't know.
Can you open it without a knife?
Yeah.
Did you close the blade?
Not yet, I will.
Do you know what that is?
You crazy.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, the pot holder.
Yeah.
For my
The silicone, so hot, 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 hot.
Yeah, because they get hot. Thank you, Angie. That's awesome. I thought it was pink.
And open that.
Oh. Oh my God.
You've got 2
A left and
hands.
right-handed one. Wow. Thanks, Angie. These are awesome. These are great for the...
I'm always teasing Ange, you know, it's too weird that we met up even on YouTube, and it's too weird how we're so connected, because stuff will happen to her, happens to me, happens to her, happens to me, or has already, or think, oh Ange, I gotta show you this picture, I gotta show you one, same thing. And here I am asking her if she wants black or white, and she sends me one. Like, did it again. That wasn't nice. And I love this. And we're both
I love
laugh.
that. That is awesome. That is awesome.
Thank you for the fun mail. It really helps brighten my day. And his.
And mine too.
And his. Thanks, love.
As soon as I see it, I thought, what the heck is that?
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Catch you tomorrow. Driveway video tomorrow, guys. I was
That's
supposed
right,
to do it today, but I'm being a sucky and, you know, playing the oh poor me card. So that's coming tomorrow. Catch
So
you
if you like this video, subscribe and give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell, bing, bing, bing. That way you won't miss any of us.
Hey, you gotta vacuum the kitchen. You know why? My kitchen. My rules.
Oh,